White man didn't tell you can cross yet.
Excuse me?
No.
Yeah, do you know what happened if you don't listen to the white man?
He just
It's a thing.
didn't want you to break the law.
Whose law? Jim Crow?
Do you know what chaos we'd be in if we didn't listen to the white man?
Stop talking. It
Emma, everything I read.
Everything far from Irene.
would seem like
What
that.
do you guys call the white man?
You don't want to know.
Come
Sorry.
go.
Let's go. There's no traffic. Let's go.
You're okay?
I'm good.
The white man tells you when to go, asshole.
Can I help you?
Is this 5B?
Well, how is it Jewish?
He said 5B, right?